Hello and welcome to this video on the if-else statement. So the if-else statement is again identical to Java, .NET, C, C++, and so many other programming languages. We have an if block and then we have an else that's executed in the event that the if statement is false. So if we take a look at it, we have essentially two code blocks in an if-else, and only one is executed though. So the expression here in the if statement is evaluated. If the expression is true, the if block is executed, and then the if block is exited. So the else block never executes. However, if this statement in the if is false, the if block is skipped and the else statement is executed. So that is identical to Java, C++, and just like we just talked about. So let's take a quick look at an example. So here we have two variables, A and B. A is 35, B is 55. And we're going to test if A is greater than B and then see which block executes. So we'll go over here again to our project and we'll select the else if, again, the else if Kotlin class file, right click, and we'll go down to run the class file. It'll compile and build, and then we'll see, A is not greater than B, so therefore the else, we can see here in the else, that block executed. But if we make a change, so let's clear this, click on the little bin symbol and close the console. Let's say A is 65. So now A will be greater. Then we'll save. And again, we will right click on the class file, click run. And we can see here that 65 turned out to be the max. So we're calling this the max function, which compares two elements that are passed into the max function and returns the larger number. So that's it for our if-else video. Please stay tuned for an if-else if video.